3-minute video alert. I am celebrating 4 years of my store, Portal Crystal Gallery, being open, and I want to show you some of the special 50% off items that I'm going to be turning people onto. Let's have a look. This seafoam jasper necklace with a bear is now only $24. We have Larimar earrings at $23. These incredible pendants are all half price, so $68 comes down to $34. Gorgeous halites, most of them in the 20s. Very cool animal carvings, including these freaky rats at $45 from $90. Gorgeous hippopotamus is only $65. Incredible carving work. These completely wild dyed agate geode hafts are all $28 to $48 each. This is an incredible deal, half off this all terminated Anandalite sort of starship enterprise. I call this Sushi Amethyst. It's from Mexico. Very unusual stuff in the 40s. This is cutting rough of ametrine. Look at that color. Multi-tone auralite. This is from Canada also, but it's also prasiolite. You've got a little bit of green, and then you even have some blue. And these range in price from $30 to $65. Under $20 for these crazy zigzag oyster fossils. We've got Smoky Quartz. This is a celestial at $140. This is a double phantom for just $100. If you look in there, you can see two little tents, green tents, probably of chlorite. Great big chrysocolas from $20 to $40. Howlites down to $13. Aquamarine around $20. Aventurine for around $30. This crazy standing red calcite is only $28, and this one is $24 with little red phantoms in it. Also $24 on these giant honey calcites and these golden healer calcites. This one's $80 and it stands. This one's only $16, $10. Prices are very low. So if you like this stuff, I do hope you'll be in touch. Kyle at crystalconcentrics.com.